Hey guys, NIC here with another daily recap. It's a devastating red day. I think I'm down about 1.6 or 1.5. It's a huge red day for me. I basically overstayed my welcome and also overtraded. I was kind of trying something out new. Like I think based on my trading journal, I usually trade best when it's 3 or less tickers, preferably 2 or 3 tickers. But today I traded quite a lot, as you can see from here, and it's really over the place. So since I'm watching so many tickers at once and also hopping in whenever I see a chance, it's harder to manage them and harder for me to know how is it moving today based on the chart and level 2. I'll just give you guys an example based on the trades that I did today. So MDIA, pretty nice daily chart. However, previously all I see was this long topping tails, so I was not hopping in that early. And as you can see, this sticker is making this huge move, and all I did was a losing trade. So yeah, in the market open, nothing much, not much volume actually, and all of a sudden it hotted up, so slowly curling. When it's this level, I was tempted to hop in, but I don't want to chase it since it looks overextended. But I was all over the place, and example, I was losing here, losing, winning, and all of a sudden I'm thinking, okay, this looks nice. Maybe I can hop in and scalp a 10 to 20 cent. So I got in around 950. Was hoping it to get like 975. However, it curled. So I see that it's respecting the view up, and this is the thing I'm doing today is how do I say? I'm trying to be more patient. However, it's hard to time the market. Is you never know when is being patient and when is being stupid or stubborn. So in this case, most of the time today is more of stubborn than I would say patient. So yeah, I did not sell on this pop as I was still bullish on it. And when it came here, so I thought this was the end of the move. So when it's coming back down to this was the previous day high, so I think it was probably around here. 975. No, guess maybe it's the other one of the high of the previous. Yeah, I think it's 910 this one. So I got out here. However, it completed the 978 here, and this is the full move. So despite it being up 38, 39%, I did only one trade on it, not knowing how is it moving, not being patient enough, since at some point I was trading 3 tickers at once. So and I'm just managing it based on the price I see here, not seeing the chart. So I really traded very poorly today, and I totally deserve the 1.6 thousand loss. So MDIA, I was still believing it in the ticker as the daily looks really nice. AHPI was another one. So yeah, you can see it's all over the move. I mean all over the area. Really overtraded, way more than what I usually trade. Got in here, and this basically was a nice move to start me off in the open. And in here, sold off here, really nice too. Not trying to be greedy and overstay my welcome. However, I'm done with it, but I think I was looking at other tickers. So imagine this. This was the one of the previous day high. So I added here for it to break. It didn't. I panic out, sold out here. Same thing, panning out, sold out here. So basically AHPI this whole period is really choppy. It's chopping to go both ways. Yeah, so and then the last one, if pick up, I mean I got in here, sold off here really nice. Then leave half of it to sell off here. Overall AHPI was alright. Pretty even day I would say. Some green, give back some, small. Okay, I guess AHPI was good, but it's pretty over the place, hard to manage. FLGC, I really forced this since couple of days it has been showing to do a red to green move. So I guess I was being biased about it. Added here this spike, like going up, curling all the way. This is insane. I think I must be stupid to. Yeah, look at this is just chasing, just how not to trade. Going that high and basically did hit here, came down double top, and when it double top and filled the view up, I did not sell it as I was not at this ticker. I was looking at some other tickers, I couldn't remember which is it around this timing. So basically in my mind I got in around 14. So I was thinking, okay, it's just 30 cents, I'm okay with it. Okay, it's just 40 cents, I'm okay with it. I'm prepared to lose $1 max. So as it's going down, I was thinking, wait a minute, this doesn't look that good. When I look at the chart, it's like, holy shit, like this was the full too long red bar. However, I was only watching the price, I wasn't really looking at the chart. This is just horrible. And yeah, in the end I sold off here. There's this is just pure stubborn. This is not patient. Um, as it's coming back here, I was thinking maybe it could. And I was thinking, okay, this is the PMH, maybe you will hold the PMH, but when it did, as this is close around here, so I was thinking maybe it could hold the PMH, and eventually flashed down. I got stopped out here, so it's coming back up again. This is really stupid. As you can see, this is 14. This is, yeah, that's a $1.50 point here on the wrong side. Really stupid. I have no words for it. Basically, I deserve it for trading so many tickets at the same time. EZGO, same thing. Chase did. You open here and you open here, so it was going up, and I see it's coming down, looking pretty nice. Added here, basically immediately flush, got stop out. Yep, this is just unfortunate. I've calculated the risk and I'm okay with this risk, just that this is just unlucky. This is 30 cents. However, with a relatively small price, low price, but the NAOV was another one, as you can see. So basically, as it's going up, I was thinking this could be the wedge, like A, B, C, D. This is the wedge going up the stairs. So added on this pullback, I was willing to risk off this VWAP. However, it's not holding this VWAP. I wasn't on this ticker. Yeah, sorry about that. I wasn't on this ticker, so I wasn't around for this move. I did not see this huge red candle. So from my point of view, just basing on the number, it's just, sorry, I got distracted. Someone came into my room. Yeah. So yeah, this basically just feels like a 40 cent move. But I was looking at too many tickets at once. But this 40 cent move, it was actually calculated. It's just that, again, this is a really small price, so that's a huge percentage. I was calculated, but basically when it feels the VWAP at this kind of area, it basically will not recover. So I let it hold, and then I just choose to get out here to stop the bleeding and just accept the loss. Oh, this is not even the last one. So yeah, so AYRO had some news, so I got in here thinking it could be a pullback. Did not sell here as I want to hold into the open, but it did not hold previous day high, so I got out, and this was okay. BTBT, same thing. Added here, was waiting for open pop. However, when it's going down, and I got out here just to be safe, thinking it could be going down that much. However, it chose to pop and hit, gap and go. So hope that I did not trade it. And basically all my other swings are doing pretty okay, I would say. Small recovery, but yeah, that's all for today's day recap. So I've been trading all over the place, and I totally deserve this 1006 loss. Can only treat it as a lesson. So this is probably the last time I'll be trying to trading 2-3 tickers at once. I'll just stick to whatever I've been doing for all this while. So yeah, as in I shouldn't beat myself down too much about this. And this is the thing about trading, like money can be made and money can be lost. There's no bad trading, just lessons. So today is quite a costly lesson. However, I believe it will help me in my trading journey moving forward. Oh, sorry. Actually, this 5 minute looks pretty nice. So yeah, from now on, I will add one more trading rule to myself. So previously, my trading rule is if I lose 3 in a row, I get stop out. If I give back half my profit, stop out. If I hit 5% or win or lose of my daily P&L goal, I will stop out of the account. And now maybe I will try to add a soft rule. I wouldn't implement it yet, but I will try to follow not to trade more than 3 to 4 tickers. One tickers, as in one position at a time, and try not to watch more than 3 or 4 tickers. So yeah, that's all for today's daily recap, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, trade safe, peace.